Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable reader mode in Safari on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what is a reader mode? First let me show you how to turn it on, and then I will show you what it is. So now let's go back to the main page maybe. Okay, so if you want to turn on the reader mode, you want to press on any website that you want to, but keep in mind that some websites do not have the reader mode available, so click on those two letters right here next to the website address and then click show reader. And now, as you can see, we do have all the text that is important on the website. So without the ads, this is going to show you what it is on your website. So the reader mode, you are going to see only the words, as you can see, and then you can manage the reader mode with the background, as you can see, with the font. And also you can go with the bigger or smaller letters, and also you can listen to the page. So
Are you looking for a hard reset solution?
I don't know
Would you like to clear
if
all
you
the
can
data on your
hear,
device,
but
phone,
now
smartphone,
I
or
guess
tablet, but you don't know how to
you
do
can.
it? Is your
So
device
you can
working?
even listen to the page with the reader mode if you don't want to read all of this. So I'm just going to end listening, and to go out of the reader mode, you just want to go and click hide reader. First just click in the same place these two A letters and then click hide reader. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!